To say. To want. To learn. To speak. To study. Lucas wants to learn a new language. Every day, he studies for a few hours to improve his skills. He practices speaking with his friends and listens carefully to what they say. He knows that if he keeps studying, he will be able to speak fluently. Learning a language takes time, but he is motivated to succeed.
Last year, I wanted to learn Spanish, so I decided to study hard. I studied every day and tried to speak with native speakers whenever I could. I said a lot of phrases to practice. It was challenging, but I was determined, and by the end of the year, I could speak much better.
I will study English every day. I will want to speak better, so I will practice a lot. I will say new words and try to learn more. I will study hard, and soon I will speak fluently. I will also watch movies in English to improve my listening skills. I will be happy when I can speak easily with others.
If I wanted to learn a new language, I would study every day. I would say new words aloud to practice. If I could speak fluently, I would feel confident. I would also try to speak with native speakers to improve faster. It would be exciting to learn and use the language in real conversations.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our content, click the like button and subscribe to our channel.